Yes, when you look at these braids, the first thing that come in your mind is, what are these braids? Yes, and another one would be like, what are the hair extension do they use to do these braids? Wow, I'm just here to introduce you this video that I'm going to be showing you the details on how to do these braids, and even to show you what you're supposed to use so that you can achieve these braids. So I would like you to give me your time at least so that we can join together and we do it.
Morris, the crochet master.
Yes, hello. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and I would like to welcome you to this channel. Yes, Morris, the crochet master, and I do it my way. Yes, today we are going to be looking at how to do the tangle dreads. Trust me, if you want to see how to do the tangle dreads, this is the right videos that you're supposed to look at. So we are going to start with the parting, and this time around we are going to be doing the spaced ones, and I'm going to be telling you why they're supposed to be spaced, and still you can even pack it if you want them packed. So this is how we are going to start with our parting. And the first line, I've decided to get only two braids on the first line, and the something that I'm smearing there, that is the molding gel. Yes, the molding gel. And please, this is the spring twist. Yes, spring twist. Those ones who don't have it, you can even use the water wave. It is also very nice. So after all that, you can get this Malay kinky, and separate it into three portions. This is one, the second, the third, and then after all that, you make sure that you add the spring twist from these, each of these. Then after all that, you just have to come and combine them together. So when you combine them together, you put some line from down. Sorry, you combine them together, but from the tip. Yes, you combine them from the tip so that your braid can be long, because if you combine them from the middle, it is going to be short, and we don't need to keep on adding all the time. So you just combine it from the tip. As you can see, this is how it looks. Then we are good to go with the plating. Yes, so after removing all those hard things, because we need it soft, and this is how you can make sure that it is. So after you start doing the plating, and you can see the method that we're using, though here I would always advise you guys that please let's try to learn this method, the inside knotless. It lasts longer than these other methods. That is according to my experience, and trust me, if you want there, you try it out and you will tell me. Yes, you'll tell me, because it is really it's a long-lasting method in both the braiding and the cornrows. Yes, so you need to learn how to do it. So what I'm going to explain to you here is that whenever we are doing the big braids, that's what I always tell you guys in most of my videos, is that we don't need to overpack it. If the braids are big, they don't need to overpack it. So here automatically it will come out that if the braids are big, then it means you need to make the portions, like the parting, to be also big. But if you do them small, trust me, it is going to be a lot on someone's head, and when it is a lot, it leads to breaking of the hairline. So those are the things for me I always try to remind you when you're doing something like this. And the things that I don't want someone to do, somebody to do the same mistake of overpacking the hair when the extension is already big that you're adding. So this is how you can do it, and trust me, it is very, very nice, very easy to do it, because I know most of you know how to do the three. So make sure you learn how to do this knotless inside knotless method. Trust me, you will love it.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of
Right, now let's try to look here very careful that after I've pulled all this, I'm just going to bring my like this, then I put it with this thumbnail, then I bring this and bring it here just like this. Make sure that I bring all the hair together, then I start doing the plating. When you look at this, it looks very simple, very simple on how to start it, and even it is painless because now this is the method that always use even like for kids. Yes, you find out like there is no cry, everyone is just happy. So this is how you can always like you can also do it and make sure and see how it looks. I love this method, trust me, I love this method, and you can also try it out and see how it's gonna work for you. Yes, so if you do this, adding our spring tees or those ones who don't have the spring tees, you can always add the water wave. Yes, the passion twist, that's what I'm saying. And you look at how it's going to be. It is very nice. I just love it. So for now, what you're going to do is going to my comment section, tell me what you think about this hair. And another thing is that all the links of the hair that I use, I'm going to put them in my description. Please go and check it out. And yes, you try it to do the same thing yourself. Yeah, and one advice I would say, this hairstyle is it might be hard to like, it might not look nice to those people with broken hairline. So people with broken hairline, this might be not good for you. Yes, it might be not good for you. Like if you really want to look nice, you don't have to do this. Yeah, because it will show. This one is the hair that starts from the beginning, as in you have been seeing her hair. And yeah, we can't forget to put our MDC hair oil. This one has helped out a lot. Yes, I'm getting some reviews on our oil that people love it. It protects the hair, the dandruff. Yes, and even it can make the hair to grow. So this is what we got for you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. I love you so much, and may God bless you all. See you in the next video. Remember, we always upload videos every week. Bye bye. See you guys.